Hello. La la li li. La la li la. La la li li. Woo! Woo! That's how you play the pranks. He's not dead. Well, he is somewhere, but I don't know. Woo! Oh! But I'm okay. Let's practice to get some heroes. What else close? I'll just hit that. Ooh, another police car. No, that would be perfect. Now we just have to put it here.
You didn't do a spell to change back? Why would I? I was living the dream. Why? Because Uncle Kelbo can't control his transformations either. It says here that you can catch a wizard's sickness from a spell that has been contaminated.
Well, I have been feeling kind of sick, but in that weird wizard way when you get all gassy, but it's your left calf.
Right. Itchy, watery eyes, cat gas. You must have been infected when you used the transformation spell.
Oh no, another infection? This one's better than a scar.
Guess what? Okay, so you remember how nobody was coming to my party, right? Well, now everybody's coming to my party because of Shakira. It's gonna be one of the biggest turns.
Here, I found your glasses. Oh, thanks. Would you like to take off with it? What? Take off like this! Ah!
Very funny, but you didn't have to have a
Woo! Rant!
and I'm her. I can't control when I turn into her.
So,
Mom, guess what? Look, somebody brought me a cake. Come here. Coming, daughter. Would you come here and bring it? Like, you know, take me up there? Oh, Mom, you're always lazy. What do you need now? Fine, I'll just eat it myself. Wait, where'd the cake go? Hello? Mom, have you seen the cake? On your face! Woo, prank! Prank! That's how you deal the prank, fellas. Oh, here, I got you your glasses. Here's your glasses.